Asad Malik complete biography, early life and education. Born on 18 December 1970 in Karachi, Pakistan. Schooling at Crescent Model School, Lahore. Did MSc in Statistics from Punjab University. Later studied criminology in the US. Earned a PhD in Performing Arts in the Light of the Quran, making him one of the few actors with such academic depth. Career journey, film career. Debuted in 1989 with the horror film Pamela. Acted in Punjabi and Urdu films like Qiyamat Ke Baad 1990, Betab 1991, Ishq Rehna Sada 1992. Made a comeback to cinema with Saya Khudae Zuljalal 2016. Television career rose to fame with NTM's drama serial Dasht 1993, directed by Abid Ali. Known for intense masculine roles and powerful performances, acted in 300 plus dramas and 200 telefilms across PTV, NTM and private channels. Famous drama include Dasht, Dusra Asman, first Pakistani drama shoot abroad, Jaane Anjane, Aansu, Moorat, Niqab, Hawwa, हवार, रेत और अगन, औरत का घर कौन सा, धानी 2016, मेहरबान 2017, रब्बा वे 2018, गुनाह 2019 and फना 2024. Other artistic pursuits, works as a director and producer in addition to acting, passionate about music, particularly Sufi-inspired songs. Released Dil Bole Allahu in 2020, showcasing his spiritual side. Personal life, known for adventurous hobbies, scuba diving, flying, hunting and target shooting. Legacy and recognition, with over 3 decades of work, Asad Malik is regarded as one of the most versatile and seasoned actors in Pakistan. Known for his serious roles, deep voice and commanding screen presence, respected not only as an actor but also as an intellectual who blends academia, spirituality and art. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjara, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. VDs with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi and Elevex Beauty Soap. And marriage proposals for all castes. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.